Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to save Google Docs to files on iPhone. First step is to open Google Docs on your iPhone. Here, open a document. Now tap on the three dots present there in the top right. From the menu that appears, select Share and Export. Then tap on Send a Copy. So here, you have to select the format as Word. Now tap on OK. From the options that show up, tap on Save to Files. Then set the destination of the saved file as on my iPhone. Tap on Save. Now you need to go to Files. So here you can see the document has been saved in the folder on my iPhone. This is how you can save Google Docs to files on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.